Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Alicia Nunisa, and in my channel I'm gonna show you some random videos of myself visiting some places in our district, and I'll let you know how beautiful our Mahasal is. So my channel is all about promoting tourism, and in my first video I'm gonna show you a place called Bendau Baiglai Waterfall, which is only 11 kilometers away from Haflong. And since then, the year 2016, many tourists have attracted this place, and since then people from outside Assam and also outside from India have also visited this place. But first, let me show you how this place looks. We have just arrived at Samparidisa Village. I think just only 11 kilometers away from Haflong, and I think I just love this village, and you can see all these ponies around here. And we are going to visit Bendau Baiglai Waterfall, which is only 3 kilometers from Samparidisa Village, and it's like 1 hour trekking from here. So it's my first time, so I'm very excited for it. So let's just go and I'll show you there 3 waterfalls. So let's just go and see how it looks. A lot more ponies around here, you can see. This is my first time seeing all this pony here, and too beautiful. I love this Samparidisa Village. I think it's very clean village. I think I would love to visit here again. It's very beautiful. So let's just go and see the waterfall.
जाते हैं अभी बेंडाउ बागलाई में, पहला बार है, गरम भी है, देखता कैसे पहुंचेगा, क्या होता।
It's our first time, so I am very excited about going there. Very excited. Yeah. So he'll be our guide for today to Bendau Baiglai Waterfall. He will lead us there, and so he is Bitesh Langkasa, and he will lead us till Bendau Baiglai, which is 3 kilometers away from Samparidisa Village, and it's like 1 hour trekking from here. So I think let's just go there and see how it looks. making this way out to reach the vehicle till Bendau Baiglai. Still the road is not completed, so we'll be taking this route. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Let's see if I reach there or not. Over there you can see the paddy field, and I think the cultivation is not yet started. It's actually in rainy season. The view from there, it's very beautiful, and I think we are about to reach Bendau Baiglai. See what we have found. This is called Mojo Khamau in the Masa language. If you translate in English, it is called rat's ear. I think it's called rat's ear maybe because like it looks like rat's ear maybe, and it's edible. Like we mostly make chutney. I think you should come and taste it. It's tasty, and there's lots of this rats here over here. You will come and see whenever you come to visit Bendau Baiglai. You will see lots of Mojo Khamau, which we call in the Masa language, and it's very tasty. I really like Mojo Khamau. I even eat it raw. I want to eat pichi now. I can't even pluck it. It's a big tree. Who will go and pluck? I'm not so tall also to go and pluck. And that one is which we call it mandu in our Dimasa language. It's a rest house for the villagers to rest after they finish their work. We almost reached the waterfall. I think this is the third waterfall. So there is my guide. He was not waiting for me. This is the first waterfall we can see over here, but we cannot see nicely over here, so we'll be going this route to see the first waterfall. So I'll be going this way to see the first waterfall. waterfall. Bendau Baiglai first waterfall. This is the waterfall where the two sisters committed suicide. That is why this waterfall is named after them. Which means Bendau means two sisters and Baiglai means jump down. My guide just told me that two sisters, they just tied their head together and jumped from there to here and committed suicide. And firstly we were over there and came that side and just reached here. It feels good to come here, and if I would get the chance to come here again, I think I would love to visit this place again. I mean, it's very peaceful, it's just soothing. Like while I was coming, I was very tired. I didn't I couldn't walk, but once I reached this place, I'm like, my tiredness is all gone. And I love this place. I love this place. I would love to come back again, and I would suggest many, and I would suggest everyone to please come visit this place. It's only 1 kilometer away from Samparidisa Village, and it's only I think it's only 45 minutes from Haflong, Samparidisa Village, so it's very near and it's like worth it coming here. So in my next videos, I'm gonna show you some more places of our district and also let you know some places which are yet to be unexplored and discovered. So thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye bye.